Say hello! Today we will try this new toy. Yes, there are many monkeys, colors, numbers. Wow! Let's open it. Take this one. It's the first. Let's see. What is? Oh. Oh. Good girl. Let's see this monkey. Number 6, and it's a yellow monkey. Yes, there is also number 1, the orange one. Wow. Wow! Hoppala! I will open this fast. There is a ball! Wow! Let's open first all the eggs, okay? Let's put them all together. Look, this comes with this one. This one with this one. The green one with this. This is orange. Whoop. Let's see if this is here. Yay! What? Come here. Look, Mama. Number 1. Look. 1. Where is number 2? This is number 2. And it's purple, Mama. Purple. Number 3. Look. The blue one, the blue monkey. Show it. Wow. Let's put it here. Where is number 4? Here is number 4. And this is red. Okay. Let's put it here. Whee! This is number 5. And this is color green. Yay! And this is color yellow. And this is number 6. Do you like it? Yes. Oh. Don't worry, it's okay. Yes, this is number 5. And this is number 6. Let's put them better. Good girl! Do you like them? Now you can take your ball and do something very, very nice. Come here. Let's take the ball and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Up. Take the ball, Mama. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. Let's do it. Good. Wow. This is purple color, mommy. You want this? This is red color. Red color. Good. Don't worry, it's okay. You need more space. It's okay now. Purple color, mommy. This is red color, and this one, it's blue color. Wow. You have 2, 4, 6 monkeys. 6 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oop! 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. So, Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. No more monkey jumping on the bed. Say bye-bye. Say bye. See you soon with a new video.